What if your smartwatch could check your blood pressure as accurately as a doctor's cuff right from your wrist? Sounds impossible, but this new device just made it reality. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a smartwatch that doesn't just track your steps or heart rate. It takes your blood pressure, ECG, sleep, oxygen, and even body fat, all in one device. And there's one feature you're not expecting that could change how you think about health tracking. Meet the Rogbid Rowatch D2, the second-generation blood pressure smartwatch from Rogbid, priced at $129.99. The standout feature? A wrist-based blood pressure system that uses a mini air pump and cuff mechanism. Yes, just like in a clinic. Combined with a high-precision sensor and smart chip design, it promises readings that are far more reliable than your typical smartwatch. One-touch operation and voice feedback make it incredibly easy, especially for older users or anyone who's not tech-savvy. And it doesn't stop at blood pressure. The D2 has a medical-grade ECG chip with proprietary algorithms that track your heart and generate detailed reports, all synced to a companion app. Beyond heart health, the watch offers a quick micro-health check for body fat and weight in just 30 seconds, monitors blood oxygen, sleep quality, and body temperature, and lets you share your data with family. Safety is also a focus, with a one-touch SOS function for emergencies. The display is a vibrant 2.06-inch curved HD screen with 410 by 502 pixels for crisp visuals. A 380 mAh battery gives up to 20 days of standby time, while multiple sport modes keep your fitness tracking on point. Plus, you can customize the look with premium leather or silicone straps. So, why does this watch stand out? It's the first smartwatch at this price point to combine clinically inspired blood pressure monitoring, ECG, and multi-parameter health tracking, all in a sleek wristwatch. For $129.99, it's more than a smartwatch. It's a pocket clinic on your wrist. If you're serious about monitoring your health or want a smartwatch that actually delivers on its promises, the Rogbid Rowatch D2 is worth checking out. Click the link below to learn more and take control of your health today.